Hello and welcome to Tech24. Today we're taking a closer look at the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you're tired of struggling with heavy cumbersome vacuums, this could be the solution you've been looking for. The Dyson V12 is Dyson's lightest intelligent cordless vacuum, and it's designed to reveal invisible dust. With a special compact feature, 30% more power, and 60 minutes of run time, this vacuum is a game changer. It's also 24% lighter than the Dyson V15, making it easier to handle and use. What really sets the Dyson V12 apart is its intelligent features. It adapts power based on the debris detected, and the LCD screen shows total picked up particles on screen as you clean, as well as power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining run time. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals hidden dust on hard floors, while the Matorber cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles long hair and pet hair as you clean. The hair screw tool also sucks up long hair and pet hair fast, and its anti-tangle conical brush bar removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. The Dyson V12 comes with 5 Dyson-engineered accessories to clean up high, down low, and everywhere in between. With advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, it also expels cleaner air. Built from strong materials selected for their durability and lightweight properties, the Dyson V12 comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make cleaning effortless and easy with the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Check the link in the description to get yours today. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.